Hi, it's Saturday the 15th of July 2017. What is going to happen to the stock market? Well, of course, I don't know. I'm Andy, the trend follower. I don't try and predict trends, I simply follow them. So, for instance, buying here and selling here and making something on the difference between the two prices. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is just about what I do. It's not advice. So, if you want to copy me, you do it at your own risk. Okay, if you want to find out more about how I do my asset allocation financial trend following system, then visit my website, which is www.trendfollower.co.uk. And if you click on this bar here, you'll get a context menu and you'll be able to follow stuff. So I won't go into detail about the system now because you can look at that in your own time. I'll look at shares and here we go. The fund that I use to get exposure to shares moved up a little bit this last week and it's still above the MA52, so I'm happy to stay invested in shares. Property, of course, I have two property investments. The first one fell a little bit this week. This is a mixture of UK and European property exposure, so you can see the entry price. I'm still way above that, which is great, and I'll just keep it rolling until it closes below the average price for the year. Now the other exposure is UK property fund, and this one actually rose up a little bit this week, much to my surprise. So again, the trade is down. I'm looking for it obviously to rise in price, but if it closes below the MA52, then I'll exit, but no signal to do that yet. Gold, again, a few weeks ago, I had a signal to sell gold and I exited. My gold position turned to cash. This week it hasn't really changed very much in price, so I'm happy just to stay in cash at the moment. Commodities, currently I'm in cash because I had a profitable trade a while back which closed. It dropped back, but it's risen up a little bit this week, the fund that I used to get commodity exposure, but I don't have a signal to buy it. I need to wait until it closes up above the MA52. So there we go. Bonds, I don't trade bonds. I just remain invested in three different bond ETFs that I have, denominated one in pounds, one in euros, and one in dollars. I just hold them and don't trade them. So this is the traffic lights for this week. Shares, happy to stay invested, so it's a green. Property is a green. Gold, I'm in cash, so that's a red signal, as is my commodity exposure. Bonds, I always stay in green, so always stay invested, so that's a green light all the time. There we go. What have I got to do this week? Nothing. So easy peasy lemon squeezy. If you want to find out more, again, go to the website, click on the context menu, and you'll get this little pop-up up here, and you select how does it work, put in your name and email, and I'll send you a 25-minute video with all the information about my system. If you like what you see, please like my Facebook page and try and spread the word for me. That would be great. And I'll catch up with you next week. So see you.